Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I'm going to show you Alibaba Product Scraper to scrap products data from Alibaba.com. In this video, you will see how I have extracted this data of products by using this tool. So this is the tool that I have developed. Now I am going to explain all of its features and how to use this tool to scrap products data from Alibaba.com. To run this tool, I will send this zip file to you. You will have to first extract it, and after that you will have to run this exe file. Well, today I have a list of around 120 different product links. I am going to scrap them in this demo. So here are three options. One option is for scrapping by using keywords, by using direct product links, and by using the category links. So in my case, I am going to use this option. In this option, it will search the keyword on Alibaba.com and scrap all the resulted products including next pages, and this is same as the category links. So we are going to scrap direct product links. And before starting, go in the options to choose your desired data columns that you want to scrap. I am choosing all, and these are some additional features. I will explain them later in the video. And click start button. Now it has loaded the website and it is now scraping the products. So to count the number of rows, right click on any column name and click show footer, and on the footer click count. So it will show how many products are scrapped. Okay, here are some additional features. This option for download images, if I check this option, it will download the images in the folder. Let me show you. This is the bot directory and this is the folder product images. Inside this folder, the bot will download images inside this folder. So I'm going to check this option and apply it. And it will download the images with the name of SKU so that we can search them easily after scraping. Okay, here you can see the images are downloaded and it scraps HD images. So here are images. And I'm going to disable this option, and this is for custom filters, and it will export all the scrap data once it gets completed, and it is saving data in the database. So SQLite database is integrated in this bot. Let me show you. Click this button, it will open the database, and here go in the browse data. Now it is scraping the data here as well. And this option will clear the data from the database, and this is the email notification system. You have to choose your time interval and type your email. I am going to check it on completion and click apply button and resume it. Now it will notify me on my email once it gets completed. The scrapping on Alibaba.com may be slow because Alibaba.com takes some time to load its pages. And to save our time, I'm going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see the results, and I'll show you how to export this scrap data into Excel file. Okay, it is showing message all products data have been scraped and exported into external file successfully. So I'm going to show you where it has exported the file. So these are the images that it has scraped, and the file are saved in this folder. So this is the scrapped file. Okay, this is the scrapped file. Now I show you how to export data manually. Click export button and specify your desired output folder. I'm choosing my desktop, and name your file here like my file, and choose your desired output format. And if you check this, it will open the file after exporting. Okay, the file is saved here, so let's run it. Okay, you can also further edit this file. Let me show you how. Okay, our file is ready for use, and we had also specified the email notification system. So let me show you how it notifies on email. So we have got the email. It is showing that process has completed, and it has scrapped 120 products and showing the application name. So this is our tool, and if you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. The contact details are provided in the description. I also provide scrapping services from any provided websites. Well, thanks for your time to watch this video, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools and their updates. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.